Rich's truck.
There's Rich.
No, that's his kids. Oh man, that stinks. That's Rich. I think that's Rich's truck. No.
Tire just blew.
Yeah, there's gonna be 2 more tires to go because the one did already. Is that an electric vehicle, I wonder? I guess I'm not going this way.
Chuck, why are you trying to take a picture of it?
Yeah, that's not Rich, that's his son.
Chuck, why are you trying to take a picture of it?
Because he got media content. Okay, well, I'm going to do a U-turn and go the way I needed to go. What do you think?